clever and proud. G is for giraffe, stretching tall and high. H is for hippo, cooling off nearby. I is for iguana, climbing up a tree. J is for jaguar, quick as can be. K is for kangaroo, bouncing with delight. L is for lion, roaring with might. M is for monkey, swinging to and fro. N is for narwhal, with the shiny horn to show. O is for octopus, dancing in the blue. P is for penguin, waddling with the crew. Q is for quokka, happy every day. R is for rhino, strong and bold today. S is for squirrel, scampering in the park. T is for turtle, steady on its mark. U is for unicorn, sparkling bright and sweet. V is for vulture, gliding in the heat. W is for walrus, waving from the shore. X is for x-ray fish, shining to the core. Y is for yak, climbing up the hill. Z is for zebra, showing stripes of skill.